Gonna make us some tuna fish sandwiches. Tuna fish for lunch. Start out with boiling yourself 2 eggs. Let that boil. On to the next step. Got your eggs in there. Your eggs going. Make sure that you have yourself onion. Next step, cut your ass onion. Ass up. Goddamn onion. Excuse me, y'all. I ain't no professional cutter, so you're gonna have to bear with me while I cut up this onion for the tuna fish. How y'all make your tuna fish? Shit. Y'all can see, I'm not no expert chef. I cut up these goddamn onions. Take out these little nasty little hard ass pieces. Put that shit away. I don't like them really fine. I like them kind of chunky to taste it. That out. Take this out. And actually should be enough. All you need. Tuna fish. Need to drain tuna fish, no matter what you use. Chunky light water, vegetable oil, don't really fucking matter. Whatever you people like to eat, this is what I eat. You can make it how you wanna. Any kind of tuna fish. Go ahead and drain the goddamn tuna. Alright, damn. This shit hard as fuck to take out. Now you got your onions cut up. 1 can. Let's get another one. 2 cans. Get all the water out this mug, as much as you can. Squeeze. 1 can. Two cans. Second can drain. You like the water in it? That's you. Keep it in there. I don't like no damn water in my tuna fish. But if you do, that's up to you, man. You can eat that shit watery or make it dry. Yeah. And the top out. Second can. Now, all we're gonna do, get you a bowl. Now you got you a bowl. This one, take it out, put all your tuna in. I don't know which order you guys do it. Do it whatever order you want. One, two, very simple. Break it up with your fork. So it's like that. You see it? Ooh. Let's get that up. Okay. Take it up. Now get you a separate utensil. Don't use this same fork and stick that shit inside your new mayonnaise bottle. So you be hot. Mayonnaise. I use Hellman's, real mayonnaise. You can use whatever hell mayonnaise you want to use. Low fat, fat, non-real, the one that just says mayo, whatever. Fake mayonnaise, real mayonnaise, I use Hellman's. Yeah. Get that right there. Grab you a separate utensil. I always don't put that much. Remember, you can't take out the mayonnaise once you mix it in, but you can always add more. So, I first get this going, before I start adding my other stuff, just so I can get my tuna fish at a certain way. Because I don't like no chunky tuna fish. I like my tuna fish all ground up, nice and neat, with no little chunky bits in it. I don't like that chunky tuna in it. Like all my tuna. It'd be what I do, I just take the bottom of the fork and I smush it down and twist it down little by little. Because I saw my mama doing this. So you learn a lot if you watch your mama cook. So like this. Get all the little tuna chunks. See how that coming out? See how that coming out? No chunky tuna. Nice creamy kind of, not too watery, not too mayonnaisey. Then salt and pepper. A little bit of salt, not that much. Pepper. Organic, regular, doesn't matter. Pepper. Then I add the onions to it. The last thing I add, I'll show you. So let me just get this on. Let's get that going. I ain't gonna need no more of that. So we can just close that on up. Let's go ahead and continue on a couple more of these. Get it right. Make sure. Get it like that. This, that. Oh, no mess. Right. Next thing is get the boiled eggs that you had on the pot. The boiled eggs, yeah. These boiled eggs, go on ahead and go ahead and get the shells off. Like that. Boom. Take the other one off. Boom. So, since the egg is so damn hot, you can either hold it or you can find something to hold it, but I just hold my shit. So you cut the egg up. This is how I do it. You can do how you want to on a cutting board. I don't need no damn cutting board. I use my damn hand. That, like that. Then just go like that, that. You drop it in. Then I just take the damn knife, the tip of the knife, and just break it up a little bit, because it's already gonna break up when you mix it up anyway. So take the other one, regular egg, cut, cut. Chop, 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 chop. Just like that. Then you take the tip. Now just give it a couple of these just to get it kind of cut up a little bit. Get rid of that. Then let's get rid of this. And let's get rid of that. Now, let's not make a mess. Always keep the area clean. Stir this up nice and slow. Now, this is how I make my tuna fish. I know a lot of people make it different. I wanted just regular onions and some boiled eggs, salt, pepper, mayo. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Stir it on up. Like that. Just like that. Go ahead and we're gonna get this toast ready. Look at that. Can't tell me that. Boy, that right there. Listen. Bread, celery. You can use any bread you want. I use celery, anything. White bread, wheat bread. Go ahead and put your 2 pieces in the toaster. Boom, boom. Let that get light toast. Lightly toasted. That's all you need. Once you get your bread out, go ahead and grab you some tuna. Lay it on there evenly. About this much. Evenly on. Evenly on. Last thing I use, hot sauce. Get you some hot sauce on there. Hot sauce, like that. Be that right there like that. And no sandwich without chips. Get you some chips. Boy. Get you a couple of chips.
Who's in?
That's all you need. Yeah, here it is. Here it is, boy. Tuna fish with some damn sauce.